Hello everyone, Deb here. I am here for hashtag Deck the Year. It is for January 29th, 2026. And as you can see, I have some things laid out and I'll go over them. I did another one of these 3x5 index cards, and this time I did the plain side and the lines are on the back. Yes, I had to double check real quick. Anyway, so my starting point was these. I was cleaning up a little bit and I found in a little bin that I had kept on my desk for a long time all these already embossed cardstocks. They're Stampin' Up! Papers. I think this is Balmy Blue, Misty Moonlight, and I think Highland Heather. I'm not 100% sure. But they all went through a snowflake. I don't remember the name of it. I have it somewhere in this room. Embossing folder, and I think I used them to make twinchies or some other kind of embellishment. I even have this, so I'm gonna use these again, but I don't know for what. Maybe a collage or something. Also, I had these little tablet papers that came from Toys for Tots this holiday season. Just a few sheets, and anyway, I cut, I guess there were only two, yeah. I cut the images. There was a little square image here, and I cut them off and used those, and I'll keep these for in journals in the future. I used these two Doodlebug design washi tapes, Polar Polka Dots, and this one is called Fun Flurry. And these have a date of, I think, 2016 on them. 2015. I probably got them in around 2017 or 18 on sale somewhere, and I have a lot left. Aren't they pretty? Blues and purples, and I also used a little bit of this one, I think. Yes. I don't know where that's from. I think maybe Michael's Recollections out of a box or something. I used one sentiment out of this Simple Stories Winter Wonderland. I had the collection, a small paper pad and these, and I have a ton of it left, and I kind of got tired of using it because the colors, but anyway. And I had these. This is old, by the way, too. Uh, I can't read that, but yeah, I've had it since I began paper crafting pretty much. So that would have been around 2017 or 18, probably. And then these came from Target when it was a dollar spot. And they matched, so I used some of them. All right, here it is. So in the background, I did collage. I have purple, the white, there was a white piece too. Oh, there's still a white piece here, which I edged. I also edged it with this balmy blue Stampin' Right water-based marker from Stampin' Up. They don't sell them anymore as of this year, I think, or maybe last year. Anyway, there's another white one under here. No, I had one more scrap, but it was cardstock, and it had purple and teal on it with little houses and stuff, just a little piece of it. So I used that. You can see there's like a, a teal green house here. Oh, I used two of those other strips. Anyway, these are those Target stickers. These are the squares off the Toys for Tots little paper. And I backed them on some of the paper, which I flipped upside down so they'd, actually this one I did, so it would glue down better. And it's a little bird house with a bird, and he's got a little tag hanging down with a heart on it. And this one has a little heart, which you probably can't see floating up from her beak like she's singing love music to the other one. Snow covered, of course. And here's this one's a little penguin in a like a fishing hole with looks like a surfboard almost, maybe a snowboard, right? Anyway, snow coming down. Yes, and we're expecting snow. So by the time this goes up, we would have had the major storm of the year, right? For most of the nation, it seems. So we'll see how it turns out. Winter Wonderland and winter never lasts forever. And that was me hoping that winter is over soon. I'm over it. Tired of shoveling and I don't know what the snowfall and ice will be by the time you see this. we will know, we will have had it, but at the day I'm recording this on Thursday the 22nd, they're calling for at least 20 inches in my area of snow on Sunday and possibly some wintry mix on Monday morning, which will make it even worse. Anyway, I did cut this one in half and then I put some of the pieces down here on those stickers. And I'm trying to think if there's washi there, there's washi here, there's a little piece of washi here, and one going all the way across up here where the seam of the white was. I like it. And then on the back, I just brought the one washi around. And I made it on the 20th, but this is for week 5, January 29th, and that'll be I will have covered all weeks for Deck the Year for January 2026, 5 weeks, okay? Or not 10, 5. All right, I hope you enjoyed it. Are you done with winter? Were you safe during the storm? I'm pre-recording this and two other videos because I don't know if I'll have power. Yeah, we shall see. All right, guys, take care. Hugs, love, and peace.